How to turn on AirDrop in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general, and here you see the option AirDrop. Click on AirDrop, and if you want to connect your AirDrops contacts only, then select contacts, and for everyone for 10 minutes and receiving off, and you can select contacts only. And if you want to check your AirDrop will be on, then simply swipe down to control center and click on AirDrop and click on, and here you can check your AirDrop will be turned on contacts only. So this is the way to turn on AirDrop in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.